All right, making some breakfast today. I wanted to show you how the scrambled eggs work. So this is 2 cups. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my cup. And this is the scrambled egg. Just dump it into your bowl. Go ahead and do 2 of those. More scrambled eggs. Throw it in the bowl. Takes 2.5 cups of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my water.
Ambient water 9.5.
All right, might have too small of a bowl, but we'll see here. And a half. All right, and go ahead and mix that a little bit here because it all doesn't go down. But this is the scrambled eggs mix. Super simple and easy, works just like any eggs, and it's right here to go ahead and plug into the morning breakfast. So let's stir this up. And it's really simple and easy to use. Just works right with the water. I'll go ahead and add the rest of that, and then I'll continue to mix, and then go ahead and add into the rest of this mix, which is all the veggies. Right here I'm letting the potatoes come back to life. We'll put the eggs in there and then throw it in the pan. See you in a minute.